Hello guys, in this video we will be looking on two official merchandise that come from Maruti Suzuki India. So this is one merchandise and this is the other. So let's quickly take them out and have a deeper look. These are two miniatures of Baleno and Ignis, and obviously these are official miniatures. So this is the box content or the box packaging, you can say. So let's quickly take it out. As you can see that it's beautifully crafted model, and here it is. It's the Baleno official model. The scale is 1/43, but the material is not metal. It costs around $530. I will put the links in the description, you can also check that out. The details are really amazing, but the glass are tinted so that there's no interior inside. Let's quickly take the ignis out. I generally prefer these boxes, are really cool. So let's take it out, and here our model is. Okay, that's a beautiful model. It's also not made of metal, it's also made of resin or good quality ABS plastic. As you can see that it has also the tinted glass so that there is no interior inside, and here is written Ignis and Maruti Suzuki logo, and also the back portion is crafted beautifully. So these are two models. Let's enjoy the B-roll.